Hey guys, TechBlast here, and this is my new PC. Here are the specs if anyone's interested. However, this is off topic from the actual video, so let's get into the unboxing of the Glorious XXL gaming mousepad. So here's the box for the Glorious PC Gaming Race XXL Pro Gaming Mousepad, which is quite a mouthful, and this particular mousepad is the color called Stealth with the logo darkened and blacked out stitching. I did originally narrate over this in the actual clip, but I felt it was a little bit too messy and didn't really flow with the video. Here I was talking about how the mousepad was 3 feet long, 1.5 feet wide, and only 3 millimeters thick. Here I am trying to undo the cardboard tab on the top, and eventually I succeed. I'm just gonna pause and say that this mousepad was probably the best packaged peripheral I've ever seen. Glorious, which I'll now refer to them as, really knocked it out of the park. Anyways, in the next clip, after I finish rambling about how nice the plastic wrap feels, I actually peel it off and I discovered that the mousepad underneath is the best mousepad I've ever felt. No wonder why it was expensive. One little pamphlet Glorious included in the box was this awesome looking company mascot thing holding a Glorious keyboard with heavy use of RGB. On the other side of the pamphlet, however, was a catalog of the products Glorious sells on their website. This includes mice, keyboards, mouse pads, keycaps, key mechanisms, and more. One nice transition later, I can take my old mouse pad and use it as a work mat for when I do upgrades or for when I build new PCs. Here you can see me trying to install the mouse pad. This is why you should always measure out your desk before buying anything that sits on it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the unboxing, feel free to give this video a like and consider subscribing. My MSI laptop video is doing great, so if you want to see that, it'll be linked right here on the top right and in the end cards. This has been TechBlast, signing out.